Hi, here we are for part two, the baking soda and vinegar with the brown thermal blue indicator. Here I have 10 milliliters of brown thermal blue in the tall thin cup. I'm going to pour 10 milliliters of brown thermal blue into the other tall thin cup. Behind them I have two tall wide cups, each with 10 milliliters of vinegar in them. I'm going to quickly place a scoop of baking soda into one of the two cups. See the baking soda there? Then I'm going to put the two tall thin cups into the two tall wide cups. Cover them both up with the short wide cups and gently swirl them both until we notice a change. And again, they're on this clear paper, white paper, for contrast. Hopefully you're able to notice the color. Then we want to compare these colors to the color spectrum, the indicator color scale. Excuse me. Thanks.